Building your custom PC requires a solid foundation, and the right mid-tower case can make all the difference. With so many options on the market, it's crucial to find the perfect balance of airflow, cable management, and aesthetic appeal for your build. In this video, we'll be reviewing the 7 best mid-tower cases for custom PC builds, covering everything from design to durability. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a beginner, these cases offer something for every level. Let's dive into the details. Number 1. CORSAIR 4000D ARFLO Mid-Tower ATX Case. The CORSAIR 4000D ARFLO Mid-Tower ATX case is a top contender for those who prioritize airflow and cooling performance. Its minimalist design is sleek, with a steel front panel designed to optimize airflow. This case doesn't just look good, it's functional, featuring a spacious interior that supports multiple fan configurations and radiators up to 360mm in size. Whether you're running a high-end CPU or a power-hungry GPU, this case ensures your components stay cool under pressure. The quality of materials used in the 4000D is impressive. The case is constructed with solid steel and tempered glass, giving it a premium feel and long-lasting durability. It also offers excellent cable management, with dedicated channels and tie-downs to keep your build looking clean and organized. The case includes 2 CORSAIR ARGB fans, which use anti-vortex vanes to channel airflow in the right direction, further improving cooling efficiency. Usability is another strong suit of the 4000D ARFLO. The side panel is easy to remove, giving you quick access to your components, and the overall layout makes building in this case a breeze. If you're looking for a case that combines design, quality, and performance, the CORSAIR 4000D ARFLO is a fantastic choice for any custom PC builder.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. NZXT H5 Compact ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. The NZXT H5 Compact ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case offers a perfect blend of compact size and high-end features. This case is designed with a modern gamer in mind, offering a minimalist yet elegant look. It comes in sleek black or white finishes and features a tempered glass side panel that showcases your components while keeping everything protected. Its compact design makes it ideal for smaller setups without sacrificing compatibility with full-sized GPUs and power supplies. In terms of airflow, the H5 Compact doesn't disappoint. It includes 2 pre-installed fans, one at the rear and one on the top, providing optimal airflow to keep your components cool. There's also room to add additional fans or liquid cooling solutions, making this case highly versatile. The cable management system is one of NZXT's standout features, with an integrated cable routing kit that ensures clean, tidy builds. Durability is another key aspect of the NZXT H5. The steel frame provides a robust build that can withstand multiple upgrades, and the tempered glass panel is thick and scratch-resistant. Usability is high, thanks to the toolless design for the side panel and easy access to drive bays. Overall, the NZXT H5 Compact offers a premium feel in a smaller footprint, making it ideal for gamers who want a high-performance build without taking up too much space. Number 3. MONTECH XR ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. The MONTECH XR ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case is an excellent budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality or features. Its design is modern and sleek, with a full mesh front panel that ensures excellent airflow for your components. The large tempered glass side panel allows you to display your build, and the case is available in both black and white finishes to suit different styles. The XR case offers exceptional cooling capabilities. It comes pre-installed with 4 fans, 3 at the front and 1 at the rear, ensuring that air flows efficiently through the case. There's also room to add additional fans or radiators if you're planning a more complex cooling setup. The airflow-focused design helps maintain optimal temperatures, even under heavy gaming loads. Durability-wise, the MONTECH XR doesn't feel like a budget option. The steel construction is solid, and the glass side panel is thick and durable. If you're looking for a mid-tower case that offers great airflow, solid build quality, and value for money, the MONTECH XR is hard to beat. Number 4. Fractal Design ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. The Fractal Design ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case is a case that combines simplicity with high-end functionality. Its clean, minimalist design appeals to those who want a professional-looking build, and the high-quality materials used ensure that this case is built to last. The tempered glass side panel offers a great view of your internal components, and the brushed aluminum front panel adds a touch of elegance to the overall design. This case is designed for optimal cooling. With space for up to 9 fans and support for multiple radiators, the Fractal Design case is perfect for those who want to build a high-performance gaming rig. The airflow is enhanced by the open layout, and the included dynamic X2 GP14 fans ensure that air moves efficiently through the case. The Fractal Design case excels in usability as well. The modular design allows for easy customization, and the tool-less panels make accessing your components simple. Overall, this case is a premium option for those who prioritize both aesthetics and performance. Number 5. CORSAIR 3500X ARGB Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. The CORSAIR 3500X ARGB Mid-Tower ATX PC Case is a stunning combination of aesthetics and functionality. The standout feature here is the addressable RGB lighting that allows for nearly limitless customization. With 3 included ARGB fans at the front and an additional fan at the rear, this case is designed for both optimal cooling and striking visuals. The tempered glass front and side panels give you a great view of your components and the vibrant RGB lighting. In terms of airflow, the 3500X excels with its airflow-optimized front panel and spacious interior. The 3 pre-installed fans ensure excellent cooling out of the box, and there's room for additional fans or liquid cooling setups. This case is perfect for high-performance builds, as it supports large GPUs and even 360mm radiators for maximum cooling efficiency. Durability is another strong point for the 3500X. The steel frame is robust, and the tempered glass panels are thick and scratch-resistant. If you're looking for a case that offers both top-tier performance and eye-catching aesthetics, the CORSAIR 3500X ARGB is an excellent choice. Number 6. Lian Leo11 PEVO E-ATX Gaming Dual Chamber Case. The Lian Leo11 PEVO E-ATX Gaming Dual Chamber Case is designed for builders who want the ultimate in customization and performance. This case features a unique dual-chamber design, separating the main components from the power supply and storage drives for better airflow and cable management. The tempered glass front and side panels provide a panoramic view of your build, making it a favorite among PC enthusiasts who enjoy showcasing their components. In terms of cooling, the O11D EVO is a standout performer. It supports up to 10 fans and multiple radiators, making it ideal for those who want to build a custom water cooling loop. The open layout ensures excellent airflow, and the modular design allows for flexible fan and radiator placement, giving you full control over your cooling setup. Overall, if you're looking for a case that offers unmatched customization and cooling potential, the Lian Leo11 EVO is a fantastic option for any custom PC build. Number 7. Antec C5 ARGB Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. The Antec C5 ARGB Mid-Tower ATX PC Case is an excellent choice for builders who want a balance of aesthetics and functionality at an affordable price. The case comes with 3 ARGB fans at the front and 1 at the rear, providing vibrant lighting and excellent airflow. The mesh front panel ensures that air flows freely into the case, keeping your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. In terms of design, the C5 is both sleek and functional. The tempered glass side panel showcases your components, while the RGB lighting adds a striking visual effect. The case has a spacious interior that supports large GPUs, multiple storage drives, and radiators up to 360mm. The pre-installed fans provide good cooling out of the box, but there's also room to add more fans or liquid cooling components if needed. Overall, the Antec C5 ARGB is a great option for those who want a visually appealing, high-performing case without breaking the bank. And there you have it, our top 7 picks for the best mid-tower cases for custom PC builds. Whether you're after premium airflow, stunning RGB lighting, or a budget-friendly option, these cases offer something for every type of builder. Make sure to choose a case that fits your needs in terms of cooling, component space, and design. Thanks for watching, and happy building!